Sino dito sa Wakswa na mahal? Talaga ba? So dumating ako sa punto, ito guys, trivia lang, meron akong tato sa dibdib na bye-bye. Hindi magagay ka ng tipa, kwakta ang puta! Meron akong tato sa dibdib, bye-bye siya, pagkatapos, hinahita ko na tayo. Yan, tapos yung nakalagay sa kanya, nakasulat sa inbaybayin, not alibata guys ha, inbaybayin. Ang nakalagay sa kanya, umibig parati at muli. Dahil naniniwala ako ng pag-ibig, nakakapagod man, pero hindi dapat pinagsasawaan. Pero dumating ang puntong nagsawa ako. Parang ang hirap panindigan kaya ako ng tattoo ko, ganyan. Pero alam ko yung dapat ko talagang gawin. So, I ended up writing this song. It's the only love song I was able to write for myself. Ang pamagat niya ay By All Means Love. Sana magustuhan niyo. Sure you can run if they're not look in your direction, what you're doing, but be sure you know when to shut up. Find the world and make your best friend in your busy time of losing tough, but stories that don't seem to add up. You think your life is too be jaded and you try your best to fight it, and eventually you'll have had enough. But if it comes back to surprise you and it is impossible to hold it back, by all means stop when you know it's love. La 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 la, then by all means stop. La 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 la. Sure there'll be another heartbreak ahead, but aren't you sick of that empty space in your bed? You can suck in your corner for yourself a brand new home, or it's a tough battle coming your way when you know it's love. Then by all means love. La 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 la, when you know it's love. Then by all means love. Don't be scared of battle scars, for they spell your name on a beating heart. Close your door but never lock it, checkers knocking right behind it. Once they come, let them stay, and every night you fail to pray that they will drive a sword through you while you sleep. Believe you broken and weak, because that's how you love when you know it's love. La 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 la, then by all means love. La 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 la, when you know it's love. Then by all means love. Sure there'll be another heartbreak ahead, but don't you want to feel that empty space in your bed? Leave your filthy past behind you, let it take your part of it too. They will make it easier anyway when you know it's love.